This is Hasib Iftihar from AlphaX International, and I would warmly like to invite Mr. Song, who is the current head of Alibaba.com Pakistan. We would like to hear some thoughts of AlphaX International services on the platform for Alibaba.com. As a channel partner, we've been working with Alibaba for the last 5 years, and I'll head over to Mr. Song to hear his views.
Thank you, Hasib. AlphaX is Alibaba.com golden channel partner for last 5 years, and their performance is always at the top. And they provide very professional services to our customers in Pakistan, and like trainings and onboarding operations and all the other things. They always focus on the customer satisfaction, which is very good to meet our expectations, and also we always trust AlphaX can provide very good service, professional and experienced team to provide the services to the customer. So you can always trust on AlphaX as Alibaba.com's golden service channel partners.
So basically, AlphaX has been promoting SMEs to build online business, and we're actually trying to bring in more sellers to join the gold membership of Alibaba so they can actually expand their business on Alibaba.com. Now, Alibaba.com is a great e-commerce website, and it provides you great opportunities to earn online. And we will hear Mr. Song view on how you can join gold membership and get some benefits. Yes, Mr. Song.
Yes. Okay. First, I would say Pakistan now is the golden time for Pakistan sellers to do exporting, because during the COVID-19, many countries, their manufacturing capability is being suspended or even stopped. But you can see that from the number of export in Pakistan, we can see that it actually hits the last 10 years peak record. So it's really good time for Pakistan sellers to do exporting. And the dollar rate issue also can help the exporting value as well. Now, if you are a Pakistani seller, why you should go export with Alibaba.com? Because Alibaba.com is one of the best B2B exporting platform, e-commerce platform for sellers. Now, traditionally, if you wanna find some business opportunities, you have to go you have to go abroad to join some trade shows and spend more than maybe 10,000 or 15,000 US dollar, and only for 3 days. And now you can join Alibaba.com, and every day there are millions of buyers visiting Alibaba.com, and they're finding their suppliers and supply chains as well. What you need to do is just be a member of Alibaba.com, and to let the buyers to find you there on Alibaba.com. And Alibaba.com can provide you very efficient and cost-effective way to do business. You can simply consider Alibaba.com as an online trade show, 24/7 open, never close. You will do business. You will find the business opportunities even you are sleeping. And that's how we can help you on that.